Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to solve the question which came in the last year 2024, and the question number 14. And the question number 14 basically is very simple question, but same as in the last video, and is using algebraic expression and how to solve this problem. So question number 14. So question number 14, CSSE 2024. And the question number A part is, in a competition, four prizes are, in a competition, the four prizes are 14, 13, 9, and 8 pounds. So what is the average mean value of the price? So find average or mean. So this is the question. Very simple, very easy. Okay. So you need to add the all numbers. Okay. So how many prizes? Four prizes. Okay. So very simple. So 14 plus 13 plus 9 plus 8 and divided by 4. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. And 20 plus 4 is 24. And 2 is carry, and 4, and remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 44 divided by 4. So the answer is 11. So the average will be 11. This is the part A, very simple, very easy questions. Come to the part B. And the part B says 80 pound is shared out between Bobby, Angeli, and Maya. So 80 pounds is shared out between Bobby, Anjali, and Maya. Anjali receives Anjali receives 3 times as much as Bobby. Maya receive 24 pound more than Anjali. More than Anjali, yeah. So the question is says how much does Bobby receive? So this is the question, okay? I'm going to read again. So is 80 pound is shared out between Bobby, Anjali, and Maya. So if I say Bobby is B, yeah, and Anjali is A, and Maya is M, and the amount going to be shared between them is £80. Now go for the next sentence. It says Anjali receives 3 times as much as Bobby. So it means if Bobby receive amount, okay, as I explained about, okay, so unknown number we can represent by X. So Bobby getting X. So how much Anjali getting? So it says Anjali Anjali receives 3 times as much as Bobby. So Bobby is getting X, so Anjali is getting 3 times of Bobby. So it means 3x. Now Maya receives £24 more than Anjali. So Anjali is getting what? So Anjali getting 3x. So we can write here as it is 3x. Okay. Whatever the Anjali is getting, okay, Maya receive £24 more. Okay. So I can write 3x plus 24, yeah, equal to 80. So instead of Anjali, okay, I use expression as per the statement here says that Anjali receives 3 times as much as Bobby. So whatever the Bobby is getting X. So it means Anjali is getting 3 times of Bobby. So I put here 3x. Same as Maya receive £24 more than Anjali. So I go back Anjali and Anjali getting 3x. So very simple. Okay. So more than £24 for the Anjali. Yeah. So 3x plus 24. This is for Maya. So I can add this expression. So x, 3x and 3x. So it's going to be how many x? 7x plus 24 equal to 80. This one make equation, and as you know how to solve this equation, 7x minus this is plus 24. So I'm going to subtract the minus 24 this side, so I'm going to minus 24 this side. So this one cancel and the remaining will be what? So it means 80 take away 24 will be 56 and 7x, and we divide both sides with 7. 7 cancel with the 7. Okay. So the answer will be what? Answer will be x equal to 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. Who is the x? X is Mr. B. Mr. B is Bobby. And the question was that how much does Bobby receive? So the answer will be Bobby received £8. So this is the answer for the question number B. Now move forward for the question number C. Question number C is same question. Question number C. It says some money shared out between 8 children. Some money is shared out between 8 children. How many? 8 children. 8 children, and the average or they say mean amount received is £4 and £50. Yeah. How much money was shared out? It's very simple, very easy. Okay. How much money was shared out? So basically, how much money was shared? Okay, so the total money, very simple. What is the formula? Okay, the formula for average is, how we find the formula for the average? Average or mean equal to, and the total sum divided by number of children. Yeah, so number of children. Yeah, so average is given. Okay, so the average is given what? Average is given finally £4 and 50 pence. Yeah, and the total number of children is already given 8. So what will be the amount? Very simple. What you're going to do it, if I assume this value is an unknown x, okay, and if I'm going to find the value of x, which is the money was shared, so 8 times 450, okay, because here is dividing. Okay, so how you cancel this one? Very simple. You need to times this side, so you need to times this side. So equation side, in the left hand side, whatever you're doing in the left hand side, you must do the same operation on the right hand side. So 8 cancel with this 8. So 8 times 4 is what? 32. And 32 and 8 times half is 4. So it's going to be what? 36. X amount, or the money was shared 36. So it means your answer will be what? 36 pound. This is very simple question. Okay, so part A and part C is very simple. Okay, so you simply plug in the values in formula and work out. This is, the average is given and you find the sum of money, okay, which was shared. And the first one is simply you need to add the all values and divide by the number of prizes. Okay, you will get the answer 11. Yeah, and now back to the question number D part. Yeah, so the D part is also based on algebraic equation. Yeah, so the question number D, some money is shared out between Edward, Tayo, and Maria. Okay, so the some money is shared out between Edward, Tayo, and Maria. Okay, there are 3%. Okay, the money is distributed between these 3. Full stop. Okay, and the next statement, Tayo received Tayo receives twice as much as Edward. So Tayo received twice as much as Edward. Full stop. Maria receives twice as much as Tayo. The average mean amount received is 35 pounds. So how much does Tayo received? So this is the question, okay? So you can pause the video and try to solve, okay? And come back later and see your answer if you wish. So some money is shared out between Edward, Tayo, and Maria. Okay? So we don't know the money. So as if we don't know the numbers, directly jump to the X, Y, or Z. The number we can assume is X. And Maria received twice as much as Tayo, and the average mean amount received is 35. How much does Tayo receive? So the first things we need to read this one, the average mean. This is not the money, yeah? This is the average mean amount received 35. So in whatever the total money, okay, shared between Edward, Tayo, and Maria, okay? So this is the average, which is 35. So very simple. You need to find out the total money first, okay? The total money, how we work out? Because the average is given, okay? Same as average equal to sum divided by number. So how many are numbers here? Okay, is the money shared between three person, Edward, Tayo, and Maria. So there are three, yeah? And the sum money will be, I would say that 35 times 3 is what? 105. So we found one thing, what? We found the money is shared, the total money we found, okay, which is 105 pound. Okay, so now come to the question, how much does Tayo receive? So the first things, same as, very simple. E for Edward, T for Tayo, M for Maria. Okay, equal to 105. We work out because the average was given, but I know the number of, the money was shared between three. So I simply multiply 35 times 3. So the money was shared 105 pound. Now come to the statement. Okay, it says Tayo receives twice as much as Edward. So I can assume Edward is getting X amount. So if Edward is getting X amount, so it means Tayo getting twice as much as Edward. Look at this one. Tayo receives twice as much as Edward. So I can do here simple 2x. So Tayo is getting double of Edward, which is 2x. Now move forward. Maria receive twice as much as Tayo. So Tayo is getting 2x. So you need to write here simply what? 2x first. Okay. And receive twice as much as, okay, so it means we need to do twice of Tayo. So Tayo is 2x, so 2x times 2 and equal to 105. Now you can pause the video and try to solve. Okay, so x plus 2x 2 times 2 is what? 4x equal to 105. Now is x 2x plus 4x. So the total x will be what? 7x equal to 105. And how to find the value of x? Divide by 7 both side. 7 cancel with the 7. And 7 times 15 equal to 105. So it means the x equal to 15. Who is x? Go back this equation. So E for Edward, Edward is a x. So the Edward is getting 15 pounds. Okay. So Edward getting 15 pounds. Okay. So how much does Tayo receive? Okay. So Tayo received double of Edward. So it means Tayo getting double of Edward. 2x, so 15 times 2 is what? 30. And how much Maria? Okay. So Maria is getting what amount? Okay. So very simple. Okay. So 15 times 2 is, Maria equation was what? 2x. Yeah. So 2 times 15, which is 30, and 30 times 2 is what? 60. Yeah. So it means Maria getting 60 pounds, Tayo getting 30 pounds, and Edward getting 15 pounds. If you can add all of them, the sum of 105. So that's it for today, yeah, and hope you like this video. Please share with your family, friends, and if you need any help and support for your 11 plus for your child, please don't hesitate to contact with me. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.